Good morning, students. The last class, the previous class, we have already gone through the statistics subject. That was the classification of the series. Now we will discuss about the frequency distribution series. That is frequency distribution series. How the frequencies are distributed, such in the class intervals. Each frequencies are having its value corresponding to the items. The items are grouped in the classes. So these classes are made in the several form, the several series. The very first two series are exclusive series. This exclusive series means that series in which items corresponding to the upper limit of each class excluded from that class. Just understand it how that series is made, in which items corresponding to the upper limit of each class excluded from that. Which item? The value of the such item. Value is being given in form of frequencies. Suppose this is one exclusive series. See it. Suppose class interval being made 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. This is given. Taken as example. Upper limit of each class, this is upper limit, and this is lower limit. Upper limit of each class excluded mean whatever the frequencies are there, when we start counting it, as the previous example you learned how to count it. So we will take from 10 to 19 only. 10 to 19. 20 will exclude. Mean upper limit will be excluded. The items or value of items lying between 10 to 20. 10 to 20. How many items are there? How many values are there between 10 to 20? Mean 10 and more than 10. But less than 20. And less than 20 is up to 19. We will count only 19. 10 to 19. Right? In the example, previous example I have given, we were counting so many items are there, which bar we have prepared. Daily bar was there, we made it, and then frequencies are distributed. In this, we will take only 10 to 19, 10 और 19 के बीच में, 20 से 29 के बीच में, 30 से 40 के बीच में. क्योंकि 20 को हम एक्सक्लूड कर देंगे. अगर कोई 20 नंबर है तो उसको हम एक्सक्लूड कर. मान लीजिए आता है नंबर 10, जो आइटम्स दिए हुए हैं 12, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20. तो इसमें 10 से 20 भी लेना है. ये तो लेंगे, ये लेंगे, ये लेंगे, ये लेंगे, ये वैल्यू लेंगे, ये वैल्यू लेंगे, ये वैल्यू लेंगे. इस वैल्यू को एक्सक्लूड कर. दिस लाइज बिटवीन 10 to 20. We will exclude it. The 20 is excluded. And the next, it becomes lower limit. Then next we will, in the next class, we will take it. But up to 29 only. Likewise, 30 to 39 only. This is called exclusive series. उसमें हम अपर लिमिट के वैल्यूज को उस आइटम में, उस क्लास में उसको एक्सक्लूड कर देते हैं, उसको हम कंसीडर नहीं करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द इंक्लूसिव सीरीज. सी इंक्लूसिव सीरीज. Inclusive series. What is series? That series in which all the items up to upper limit of a class are included in that class. Mean upper limit will also be considered. Then in that case, the very peculiar interval we will make, that is upper limit of the each class will not repeat itself in the next class lower limit. जो एक क्लास का अपर लिमिट होगा दूसरे क्लास का लोअर लिमिट नहीं होगा. तो इसमें कैसे लेंगे? इसमें 10 to 20 ना लेकर के 10 to 19, देन लोअर लिमिट 20 to 29, देन 30 to 39, likewise 40 to 49. ये क्लास इंटरवल बन गया है. दिस क्लास इंटरवल विल मेक एंड वी विल एक्सक्लूड दिस ऑल्सो. यानी कि इसमें भी इतने ही आइटम 19 भी इसमें इंक्लूडेड होंगे. ये इंक्लूसिव सीरीज कह रहे हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड इंक्लूसिव सीरीज. अंडरस्टूड? So that is the basic difference, exclusive series and inclusive series. Now open-ended series, mid-value frequency series and cumulative frequency series. Open-ended series means that series reveals the lower limit of first class and or upper limit of the last class are missing. मतलब if the class being given class or items which is divided into class, items divided into class, upper limit lower limit of the first class means it is missing. Suppose it is given 10, it is missing. Now how to write? What to write? Less than or below, less than 10 or below 10. It means what? 10 से कितना कम? Less than maximum 0. तो it starts from 0. Next is 20, below 20 or less than 20. 30, below 30 or less than 30. मतलब 20 से कम कितना? 0. 30 से लेस कितना? 0. ये less than लिखे रहेंगे. Likewise this. और अपर लिमिट ऑफ लास्ट क्लास आर मिसिंग. लास्ट क्लास की अपर लिमिट मिसिंग रहती है. उसमें क्या होता है? वो मोर देन वाले में आते हैं. मोर देन 10, 20, 30, 40. मोर देन 40 वाली ये लास्ट क्लास है तो ये मिसिंग है. वो 40 से कितना कितना लास्ट कितना किस एंड तक? दैट इज एंड. एट व्हाट एंड इट विल बी. मोर देन 40 कितना? मोर कितना? 40 से ज्यादा सब बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा. हजारों पर पहुंच जाएंगे ये. तो हाउ मच? सो हियर while making the class in that case you see the this difference between first upper limit of the first class and upper limit of the second class is 10. तो difference of the class is 10. क्लास इंटरवल का जो इंटरवल है कितना है? 10 है. यहाँ कैसे बनाएंगे इसको? ये देखिए. लेस देन 10, it will become as 0 to 10, 0 to 20, 0 to 30, 0 to 40. Less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40. That is what. In your book, one question has been given. Example, open-end series. That is age of the students. Age in years. Age in years that is given below 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, then it is written above 40. Both are mixed in it. Below भी मिक्स है और अपर लिमिट की भी मिसिंग है. above 40 मतलब 40 से ऊपर. तो यहाँ पर कैसे बनेगा? below 10. दोनों में डिफरेंस कितना? 10-10 का. क्लास इंटरवल डिफरेंस बिटवीन अपर क्लास ऑफ फर्स्ट क्लास एंड अपर लिमिट ऑफ सेकंड क्लास. दिस इज द डिफरेंस इज 10. सो वी विल मेक द क्लास इंटरवल बिलो 10, 0 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, that becomes the 40 to 50. Now frequencies have been given of it 7, 8, 12. 7, 8, 12, 6 and 4. This is the frequencies having. This is called open-ended series where the below and less than, simply understand it, where less than and more than classes had been given, that is called open-ended series. Now, in the same sequence, you can understand this cumulative frequency series, that series in which frequencies are continuously added to each class. Below 10, understand this same example. Below 10, below 20, below 30, below 40, below 50. Suppose this one. All these are below. So it is presented in the cumulative frequency form. ये अब नहीं रहेगा. जब बिलो रहेगा तो ऐसे नहीं रहेगा, या मोर देन रहेगा तो ऐसे नहीं रहेगा. तो ये कैसे रहेगा? बिलो है अगर तो सबसे पहली बात, अब यहाँ फ्रीक्वेंसी ओपन ओरिजिनल फ्रीक्वेंसी देखें 7, 8, 12, 6, 4. दिस इज द रियल फ्रीक्वेंसी और एक्चुअल फ्रीक्वेंसी. टोटल इज 37. अगर बिलो है तो बिलो 10 कितने होंगे? बिलो 10 7. बिलो 20 यानी कि 0 to 20, तो ये और ये दोनों ऐड हो जाएंगे. फ्रीक्वेंसीज आर कंटिन्यूअसली एडेड. ये और ये ऐड हो गए. बिलो 30, नाउ दीज 3 विल बी एडेड. Below 40, now this also be added, and below 50, 4 will be added. This is called cumulative frequency. You see, the cumulative frequency last class is 37. Below 10, below 20, below 30. Below 10 means 0 to 10. Below 20 means 0 to 20. Below 30 means 0 to 30. 10 से कम 7 है तो 20 से कम कितने होंगे? ये हो गया 8. 10 से 20 बीच में 8 थे, 10 से 20 बीच में 8 थे, तो ये दोनों जुड़ के चले जाएंगे. ये ओरिजिनल फ्रीक्वेंसी है, इसको बोलते हैं क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. ठीक वैसे ही अगर मोर देन होता तो क्या करते? इसको समझ लीजिए. मोर देन, मैं यार एक बार लिख रहा हूं इसको एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर. This was given. Now more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40, more than 30. This is given. More than 0, more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40. इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 40. Now see, total is 37. तो more than 0 कहाँ तक आएगा? 40 तक आएगा. 40 से 50 तक जाएगा. 37. इसके बाद 37 more than 10, 7 घटा दीजिए इसको, ये आएगा 30. फिर 37 में से 12 घटा दीजिए, कितना आएगा? 25. 30 में से 8 घटा दीजिए, कितना आएगा? 22. 22 माइनस 12 कितना आएगा? 10. 10 में 6 कितना आएगा? 4. ये घटते चले जाते हैं. ये होता है मोर देन सीरीज में क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. दिस वाज प्रीवियसली लेस देन केस में क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी कैसे बनाई जाती है. अगेन यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. In case of below or less than, how the cumulative frequency will be made? Previously I have explained it. कैसे उसको बनाते हैं, और अगर more than है तो कैसे बनाते हैं, ये दोनों अच्छी तरह समझ लीजिए. मैं एक बार फिर से बता देता हूँ. यहाँ पर below वाला, below 10, below 20, below 30, below 40, below 50. So below 10, 7, then 15, then 27, then 33, then 37. In the case of less than or below, in the case of more than and below, the formation of the frequency cumulative. Now, mid-value frequency series. Mid-value frequency series being the series in which only mid-values of the class being given. Mid-value कैसे निकालते हैं? दोनों क्लास अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट को जोड़ के 2 से डिवाइड करें तो मिड वैल्यू आती है. वो मिड वैल्यू दी रहेगी और उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी दी रहेगी. सो दैट मिड वैल्यू कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द क्लास. मिड वैल्यू को क्लास में हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. कैसे करेंगे? देखिए, इन योर बुक मिड वैल्यू बीइंग गिवन, मिड वैल्यू एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी that is given. Mid value is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Frequency 7, 8, 12. Six and 4. This is mid value, this is frequency. But the mid value mean the lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. That is called mid value. So how it will be converted into the class? First of all, you see. इसको क्लास में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं, क्लास इंटरवल में कैसे बनाएंगे? The item in the group, class group, how it will be made. See what to do. First of all, see the second mid value and first mid value. Difference between second mid value and first mid value is 10. Likewise, third to second. Likewise, 25 minus 15, 10. 35 minus 25, 10. 45 minus 35, 10. This is the difference between the each mid values as given. First step you find by dividing 10 by 2. You will find 5. 10 को 2 से डिवाइड करें तो 5 आएगा. This 5 is the actual difference between in the class interval. Class 5 is the difference. 5 को कैसे करना है अरेंजमेंट? It will be arranged as, तो पहला स्टेप आप निकालेंगे. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप, नाउ द सेकंड स्टेप इज दैट द फर्स्ट mid value, this 5 minus 8 for the lower limit that is 0, and 5 plus 5, 10 upper limit. Likewise, अब बन गया ये 0 लोअर लिमिट, 10 अपर लिमिट, 0 to 10. 10 को 2 से डिवाइड करो, 10 plus 0 डिवाइड बाई 2, 5. अब 10 के बाद 10 और 10 का ही अंतर रहेगा 20. 22, 30, 32, 40, 42, 50. This becomes the class. यानी कि जो डिफरेंस आएगा पहले मिड वैल्यू, सेकंड मिड वैल्यू और फर्स्ट मिड वैल्यू का डिफरेंस निकालते हैं, वो 10 आएगा. 10 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 5 आएगा, 5 आएगा. दैट 5 will be added, deducted from the lower limit, means from the mid value for the lower limit, and added to get the upper limit in each class. इसमें आपने 5 में से 5 घटाया 0 आया, 5 में 5 जोड़ा 10 आया. इसमें 15 में से 5 घटाया 10 आया, और 15 में 5 जोड़ा 20 आया. 25 में से 5 घटाया 20 आया, और 25 में से 5 जोड़ दिया 30 आया. 35 में से 5 घटाया 30 आया, और 35 से 5 जोड़ दिया तो 40 आया. Likewise, this you add this. For the lower limit, deduct from the mid value, and upper limit add in the mid value to get the first class, to get the second class interval, third for third mid value, likewise fourth and fifth. This is called mid value frequency series. Now the after collection of the data, organizing the data, classification of the data, now it becomes very necessary to present the data. It is a little bit problem how to make the presentation of the data. Presentation refers the way, such way by which all the data are presented in such a manner, illustrated in such a manner, which become very easy to understand and to analyze. डेटा को इस तरीके से लोगों के सामने रखना जिससे आसानी से समझ में आ जाए और उसको एनालिसिस की जा सके, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेजेंटेशन. वॉट एवर डेटा कलेक्टेड and then classified according to the series in the different groups, either discrete series, individual series or continuous series. Now it becomes necessary to put it in such a way which illustrates the data to understand it easily, which is easily understandable and analyzable. That is called to understand and analyzed. That is called presentation of data. Now types of data presentation. कैसे डेटा को किस तरीके से प्रेजेंट करें जिस तरह से आसानी से समझ में आ जाए. जैसे आप क्रिकेट मैच देखते हो तो क्रिकेट के स्कोर्स आते हैं, वो डेटा सभी लोग पढ़े लिखे नहीं है लेकिन मैच देख रहे हैं तो कभी कभी वो डायग्राम के रूप में प्रेजेंट करते हैं, कौन किसने कितने रन बनाए, किसके ज़्यादा रन बने. कभी ग्राफ से किसके स्कोर ज़्यादा रहे, इंडिया के स्कोर ज़्यादा जा रहा है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया नीचे जा रहा है या कम जा रहा है या अधिक जा रहा है, ये ग्राफ में प्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं. सो दैट इज प्रेजेंटेड इन द थ्री फॉर्म: टेबुलर प्रेजेंटेशन, डायग्रामेटिकल प्रेजेंटेशन एंड ग्राफिकल प्रेजेंटेशन. That is a type of algebraic presentation, or in the numeric form. This is presented in the diagrams, कोई चित्र बना करके, and this is graph that is presented in the graphs. ग्राफ शीट पे आपने देखा होगा, that is presented in the graph. By drawing a line, drawing a diagram, then one can understand it very easily. The very first is the tabular presentation. How? Simple table and complex table. Diagrammatical presentation: bar diagram, multiple bar diagram, pie diagram, histogram, frequency polygon and ogive curve. Here graphical presentation: time series graph and frequency line graph. These are the certain ways to present the data, whatever the data collected. Now one by one we will study it. The very first is that we will study the tabular presentation. Tabular presentation of the data on tabular presentation. That is simple table. That is presented in the form of table, which is divided into columns and rows. That is called simple table. Mean only one item is taken in. Only one item is considered. Likewise, the complex one, where the two or more items are there, that is called complex. Now, how it is presented in the tabular form? See, it's simple table. Here example is given, 18.5 example, number of handicapped students. See this table, number of handicapped students. This is called title. What is called? Title. Appearing class 12th examination. This is called title. For the year, how much? 1997 to 2002. This is called head. What is called head? Now see, year of examination. (1997), 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002. Number of students appeared. Number of handicapped students appeared in examination. In 1997, there was 136. 98, 360. 99, 590. 2000, 703. 2001, 805. And in 2002, 1132. This is called column. It can extend, and these are called rows. That is called rows. This is called head. This is called subhead. तो ये हेड्स होती हैं और सब हेड्स होती हैं. अब नीचे सोर्स, ये फिगर्स आपके पास आई कहां से? दिस इज कॉल्ड सोर्स. So any note is given, you wanted to give some special note, you can write it. That is called the table form. This is simple table. यानी कि डेटा 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002 it was collected. This was the information collected for 97, 136 students, 360 students, 580 students, 703 students, 805 students, 1132 students. This data I have collected. Now it is presented in a simple table form, which one can understand. 1997 में कितने थे, 98 में कितने थे, इतने सब में थे. तो table is prepared by taking one title. किसका table है, क्यों किया जा रहा है, कौन सी study है, that is called title. Head note is here for which year it is taken, or in the sometime it is given in the year, sometime it is in kg, in tons, in the rupees, in the millions, whatever. The unit is there, that is presented. First column, and ये main head है, head, and ये subhead कहलाता है, right? This is stub note and notes are there. Now you understood it. Now complex table. See the complex table. How to prepare complex table? Complex table means simply if the two or more information, more than two informations are presented, is called complex one. Two or more. Now take the example. The second example is given 18.6. Number of handicapped students. Number of handicapped students appearing for class 12th examination. For class 12th exams. Now here in this case, in this example, the information has been given regarding the students how many male students were appeared and how many female appears. Now see it year. This year is given for 97. Number of handicapped students. And the total. See this table. It is very important to write the table number. If you are making the so many tables, then you have to write the table number, that is either 1, 2, 3, 4, or in the fractions point 1.3, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Likewise, you can present it. That is called number. So title is very important thing. Title and head note. It is very important when information to be given, as well as the stub heads are there. स्टब हेड जो मेन हेड है, ये स्टब हेड है. इसके अलावा ये जो दिए हुए ये कॉलम्स हैं. दिस कॉल्ड सब कॉलम्स और सेल्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड. लुक इट हाउ इट इज प्रेजेंटेड द टेबल फॉर्म इन 1997, 98, 99, 2000, 2001 and 2000. Male and female students, male 105 and female 31. Total 136 students appeared. 270 and 90. 270 and 90. 360. 472 and 112. It's 478. Next is 520 and 183. 533 and 272. And 764 and 368. Now see, earlier it was not bifurcated the male and female. Simple data was given regarding the appearance of the handicapped students in the examination, 12th class examination, and that is 30, 60, 520, 783, 885, 1132. Now again, it is presented in the complex table, that is by clarify how many male students were appeared and how many female students were appeared. That is called tabular form presentation, which one can understand it very easily, this presentation, and can extract the conclusion from it or inferences from it. It is enough for today. Now next we will study the presentation of the diagrammatical presentation of the data. Thank you. Have a good day.